Hello, hello, hello. It's Christine Trainor here talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. Welcome to my channel as I continue on my series of tips and strategies of online marketing since I've been working online for this past 2 years and digital marketing as well as an entrepreneur. Now, you might be new to my channel, so I'm just going to share with you how I got started on online. How's that? I have many more other videos that share quite a bit, but I'm just going to share that since I've been online, I have learned a variety of tips and strategies. And it started 2 years ago when I had a variety of jobs in my lifetime. And then, of course, because I worked in the college of life, I worked outside online. I really was into doing online work. So basically, I had a variety of different jobs, and it was plenty. I worked for over 35 years doing daycare working. I was looking after 6 kids for 2 years. I worked in the sheet metal industry, where I was a sheet metal worker. I worked at Orange Julius. I worked at McDonald's. Always busy until a number of years ago, I decided to work in direct marketing with my sister Vicky west of me in Vancouver, and that's when I got the taste I wanted to work online. But a number of years passed before I decided 2 years ago to take the bull by the horn, start working online and earning an income online so I can do it into my retirement years and still keep working, doing the laptop lifestyle, working at home, having my own hours and really earning income. And it's been wonderful. Past 2 years, I've earned money, I lost money, earned money again. So I guess you'd say I'm doing much better. A few months ago, I started a beautiful platform called Successful Solution Method, a task-based platform where I do daily actions. I take action every day on a daily basis, working, building my business online every single day. Okay, now the next little blip, I have a short little video where I did again share on Facebook, and I want to share a little bit about basically this. Okay, this is what I want to share. Trusting the process. When you show up, take action, and repeat every day, you're going to become more successful online or in life regardless. So take a look at the blip. It's only a little video. It's only a few minutes long. Stay to the end, and down below, of course, in my description, I have the link to, of course, the Successful Solution Method, as well as the Facebook group to Successful Solution Method. Come by, join the group, learn all about what this beautiful platform is all about, and how I'm actually earning on a daily basis, doing my daily tasks as well. Plus, I have my Facebook page as well down below, my link. Come over, say hello, take a look at what I share, take a look at what I'm doing online as well on my Facebook profile. Plus, message me, let's have a chat, let's learn a bit more about each other. You never know what can happen, right? When you become more successful working online, learning to build your business online the right way with Successful Solution Method. Plus, my lovely friends, I also have my phone number. Give me a call, if you want to text and want to know more information. Plus, like and comment my video if you're still new to my channel. I don't mind having a wonderful review as well. And of course, down below, of course, I do have we have the bell notification to the next video too. Click on that so you can be notified. Plus, subscribe to my channel so you can continue on to see more tips and strategies for online marketing coming down the road even further as I explore the beautiful world of online marketing. So my lovely friends, take a look at, let's pop on over to that video, okay? See you on the other side to success. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's Christine Trainor talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. As I continue on, as I was sharing before, I will continue on to do this live as my I just had a momentary interruption. My niece just about to have a baby, so she was giving me a call, so that's okay. So I'm going to start this all over again, my lovely friends. Thank you all for coming on and saying hello, whoever's there. And if you come back and say hello, that'd be awesome. So basically, if you're checking out this video live, hashtag live and where you're tuning in from, or if you're checking this out later today, hashtag replay. Okie dokie. So, as I shared before, trust the process. Show up, take action, and repeat each day. That is what I want to share. Hey Diana, how you doing, girl? Hey Lisa, how you doing? Come on, thanks for coming by and say hello. I want to share this with you today because in the past, in my lifetime, I've always been a person who, when I had a job, okay, I really made sure hey Stefan, how you doing? I really wanted to work steady. I would go to the job, do my work I always had this really good idea that if you do your job well, you'll become more successful. So show up, take action, and repeat it on a daily basis. That's what always was in my mind. Oh my God, yeah, North Carolina. Hey, girl, Diana, how you doing? I really wanted to share this with you today because I know for a fact, and this is basically my Mondays, and I actually do this month. I'm starting to do my more motivational Mondays today. Bear with me, guys. I'm getting there because I'm excited. My niece is just about to have a baby, so I'm a little excited here. I really wanted to get this out today. I want to share this value with you because, believe it or not, now that I'm a digital marketing as well as an entrepreneur this past 2 years, I have actually adapted this way of thinking that when I show up, I take action and repeat every day, I'm going to become more successful. Because we all know that you don't become successful overnight, right? You become successful over time when you learn and gain knowledge, and you become, shall we say, you implement what you've been taught. And this is what I'm doing right now on the platform I'm on. I'm a beautiful task-based educational platform where I do tasks on a daily basis, income producing activities, shall we say. And this is what happens. I start to become successful. Hey, Glenn, thanks for popping by again. This is what I'm doing every single day with this beautiful task-based educational program. I'm actually earning and I'm learning. And even on my slump weeks, you know why I love my slump weeks? Because I can gain more knowledge. So to me, I'm still gaining. I'm still becoming successful. Why am I becoming successful? It's because I'm gaining the knowledge, the necessary ABCs of the education, of the training I'm doing to become more successful, to build my business online. Because we are the business. We ourselves brand ourselves. Not the company we're with. We ourselves. The companies that we are with are our streams of income, but we ourselves are the business. So I wanted to get that out today because so many people go, oh my God, I got to promote this business. No, promote yourself. Share who you are on a daily basis. Be yourself. Give yourself the knowledge and the strategies and implement them on a daily basis. And that's what I'm doing with the platform I'm on. This beautiful, awesome platform. And I've learned because you know what? Hey Lisa, how you doing, girl? Nice to see ya. I love it because I have so many beautiful members, 1,500 strong. Wow, it's just started 4 months ago, and this platform is phenomenal. Every of our members are becoming successful. Why? Because they're implementing what? They're implementing wonderful tasks on a daily basis. A little over 2 hours a day, and you get the task done, and you become, successful because you yourself are doing these beautiful tasks. That's what I love it. On this crazy wet day we've had quite a few wet days here. I was able to get outside here today because every time I do a live lately, it's been crappy inside. So I wanted to be outside here today. I just wore my scarf. I wore my sweater and out the door I went because I knew I wanted to share this value with you today, my lovely friends. And I was so happy and proud to talk about this because you know what? I'm excited because I love the beautiful platform I'm on. I love the members. I love the fact that we engage every day. We engage on each other's posts. We engage with each other. I mean, wow. And then we're earning. Payouts are wonderful every week. I mean, so far, as I shared before, 4 months in and $450,000 worth of payouts to the members because every one of us does these tasks. Every one of us does. They show up. We show up. We take action and repeat every day with these daily tasks. It's amazing, right? And I wanted to share it with you today and give this value. You must excuse my shade, but every time I'm outside, my prescription glasses shade. So this is why I wanted to share today, my lovely friends, because I love you all, and I thought this would be a good value for you to do. I hope you enjoyed it today, as I'm anxiously awaiting because my niece gave me a call earlier because she's just about to have her baby. That's another beautiful thing, another life coming into this world because she's going to be baby number 2 for her. And that's an amazing part of being part of everyday living. I wanted to share that with you today. And I want to give thanks to my lovely friend Diana. Thank you for coming on. Lisa, Stefan, Galeen, who else? Lisa. I think I said that twice. Because I'm excited. It's Monday. It's my motivational moment today. So this is what I wanted to share. Embrace the process. Trust the process because it's there for you. Don't be dissuaded when you have off weeks because what you're gaining is knowledge, and that's what I'm doing right now with the platform I'm on. So I love you all, my lovely friends. Keep rocking it. I know you can, my entrepreneurs. And I like to share with this all the time, and I'm going to share this a lot of times during my videos because I'm going to make a few more each week. I'll see you on the other side to success. Mwah. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.